Garnica's Valencia de Don Juan factory is the flagship of the company and the largest. It is strategically located in the Duero River Basin, León, the most extensive poplar plantation in Spanish territory. Built in 1996, it is the factory with the largest production capacity of Garnica. In this factory, the full plywood production process is carried out. It has 2 lathes, 4 dryers, 5 assembling lines, and 2 presses, one of them the largest press in Europe. Here is also where the DuraPly and Fire Shield products are produced, 2 added value ranges that stand out because of their exceptional resistance to outdoor conditions and fire. The Valencia de Don Juan factory currently has a plywood production capacity of 130,000 cubic meters and employs more than 320 people.